Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday, May 30th, 2024, and I am just capturing some footage of a day in the life of a crafter. I am off today and tomorrow, so I wanted to start my new segment, A Day in the Life of a Crafter, and just get some footage for you guys just so you will see what I as a crafter go through when I am preparing for a collaboration or to come up with a video. Um, so stay tuned and I will see you soon. But right now, your girl got to get ready. I can't wait till the weekend so I can get this head tapped really good. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Good morning, guys. So I am getting ready to, this hair. I am getting ready to go to my PT appointment for my shoulder. And then I am going to, today is actually the day where I go get my mani and pedi. My daughter had the dates or the day mixed up. So I'm going to do that today. And then it's Friday, May 31st. And I am going to probably take you guys to see my storage unit so you can see that I have plenty of stuff to craft my stash. Stay tuned. Okay, my subbies, so I'm day 2 of this vlog, and now I am sitting at a drive-thru to get something to eat because I haven't had anything to eat yet, and it is now 11:15 on Friday, May 31st. I was able to find all the things that I needed for an upcoming collab on the 24th of this month. And then I have 2 other collabs on the 28th and the 26th, I believe. And then I have an interview scheduled for the 30th with BOK Media. Also that collaboration with BOK Media. And I'm just thinking, guys, I have a lot coming up towards the end of the month. And yes, I'm going to be doing a lot of crafting this weekend. And I'm going to get my hair done because Lord knows it's time for this stuff to be combed. So I will be checking in a few minutes. Hold that thought. Okay, my joyful subbies. So I am back from the nail salon, like them. And now I am inside of Rose's department store. And I am just looking around for some decor so that I can decorate my front porch as well as my deck. So they have some cute things, but I don't know if I want to pay that amount for those items. Not that it's expensive, it's not at all that. It's just that I don't have a design in mind just yet for how I want it to look exactly. Okay, guys, so picking you back up, and when I say this is the day in the life of a crafter, this is the day in the life of a crafter. For me, I get nothing done during the day, so my time is spent during the day running errands or running people places and putting out fires. You know, those motherly things. Ignore that sound in the back, that's just my radar detector. So when I get home, I did manage to spray paint one of my, or actually two of the planters that I have on the front of my porch. And I am going to actually replace the rocks that was in there from a previous project with some potting soil. I'm going to plant some flowers in the pots. And then I probably have to get some. I'd rather have like the annuals. I don't want to keep having to replant them. But I probably end up doing that. And then I'm going to style the front porch. I went to Pop Shelf and purchased an outdoor rug to put on the front porch so that I could decorate it. But it's a tad bit too short. So what I'm thinking about doing is going back and getting another one and then just putting a seam down the back of it with some adhesive tape, not the like the gorilla, not the gorilla tape, the what you call that tape? The tape, duct tape on the back side of it so that it'll join at the seams, and that way it'll fit. And I did get that at Pop Shelf. It was like $12. I don't want to spend that much more for one. Then I have one for the back porch or the deck area. So I'm going to make it a little more homey out there in the front and the back. Not that I can really spend a lot of time outside. I'm already suffering from being sun poisoned from being out there fishing. And did you see my big brim? You see how large that brim was? Anyway, guys, I will be picking you back up in a few minutes. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you know, I'm starting this series, A Day in the Life of a Crafter. And today, you'll see that I am actually on my day job, although I'm working remote today and tomorrow, which is Monday, June 3rd, and then I'll be working again remote on June 4th. So Monday and Tuesday I'll be working remotely, and then I'll be in the office the rest of the week. So yeah, I am going to just let you see a small glimpse. The information is proprietary, so I just cannot share that information with you. However, I just wanted to let you know that I am planning on catching back up with you guys and picking the camera back up a little later on today or this afternoon, maybe around my lunchtime, as I prepare to create a vlog or do a video on a Dollar Tree and Dollar General and maybe a Pop Shelf haul that I did over the last couple of days. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back in touch soon. Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I took off, or I ended the live earlier this morning Today is Monday, June 3rd, 2024, and I wanted to get to a good spot this afternoon to be able to do this vlog. And what I'm going to do is show you some of the items that I've purchased over the course of the last 2 to 3 months. Actually, since March, end of February, March of this year, up until current time. So I am getting ready to redo my whole crafting room. I would give you a glimpse into my world, but I don't think you all are prepared for that. But nevertheless, I am going to give you this huge haul. Some of the things that I purchased are from Dollar Tree, mainly Dollar Tree, a couple things from Dollar General, Michael's, and Pop Chef. And so this is going to be a huge haul. I probably will break it up into a three-part vlog series so that you will not be overwhelmed with the items that I've purchased. Now, some of these items are items that you've seen already on many of the content creators or crafters or DIYers channels that you follow on YouTube and or Instagram or even TikTok and Facebook. But these are things that I have not put away just yet, because in the way that I think about things, or when I'm planning out my crafts, sometimes I may write out what my intentions are as far as what I'm going to craft. Let me give you an example. Let me see if this is one of my draft books that when I come up with ideas or come up with designs. Now, I am not an artist, guys. You all know I can draw a lick. I can't. But guys, look at my hair. Tell me what you think of these pin curls. Hair Diva is my stylist for this week or last week. She is my cousin / sister, and she really hooks me up. That's another journal. But for instance, like when I was building out the chest of drawers planter that I created on the channel, if you have yet to see that video, I will leave it linked in the description of this video. I had it come to my brain, into my head, so I had to get it out. So I'm going to turn this camera around and let you kind of see what it is that I'm talking about, and then I'll come back to you guys. So as you can see, I actually, when I have ideas to come into my head, like I was saying, I draw them out to the best of my ability to give me and then I may even notate what it is that I'm trying to draw out, or I guess a part of my planning process, that I can understand what it is that I plan on drawing or creating. So this is the way that I create. Some things do just come to the top of my head. I can sometimes start out crafting one way, and then the next thing you know, I deviate from it once I get started in the crafting process. But nevertheless, I am going to show you guys. I'm going to insert a picture of some of the things that I have that I've purchased, and then we'll go through the whole bag and me taking everything out so you can see it. But stay tuned, and the next time I pick the camera up, we will be doing the haul video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, so I am back near my crafting table, and I need to get over on the other side of it. But before I do, I want to show you the mountain of things that I need to that I'm going to show you that I picked up in this haul, as well as don't tell Uncle T, okay? It's our secret. Okay? It's me and you. We're friends, right? You my fam, right? So you can't share this with him. You pretend like you know nothing, right? Anyway, take a look at this guy. Okay, so now you've seen these stuff, and now I am getting ready to get into this haul video. So if Dollar Tree hauls and other retail hauls is something that interests you, then please make sure you go ahead and, you know, as you're coming in to watch this video, please just go ahead and click on that like button, and don't forget about that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, anytime I upload anything to the channel, you will be notified. So without further ado, let's get into this haul.